Confidence. Confidence is not walking in a room thinking that you are better than anyone. It's walking in knowing that you don't have to compare yourself to anyone. Compare yourself to another person that's not even in your system. There's not thought of comparison. There's not competition with any other human. You're not above anyone. You're not below anyone. That's confidence. When you can get the plus in your life where the comparisons get, where you are good enough, not to others but yourself, that's confidence. And you can be good enough right now because you are good enough right now. You might just need to change your mindset. Confidence can be developed in many ways. You can start with your physiology, your posture. If I ask you what a confident person look like, would you be able to tell me? Of course, you would. They look strong, sure of themselves. How are they standing? They're standing tall. How are their shoulders? They're back upright. Now a shy or introvert person might say, yeah, well, that's all good for a game people, but I'll never be confident. And the other word, anyone can develop confidence. Some may have to work harder than others because they have conditioned of themselves into a lack of confidence. But anyone can develop confidence. Even the majority of shy people have moments where they are shy, like around people they trust. Maybe family, friends, or their partner, moments where they can be themselves fully. So the shyness is selective, which means that you can make confidence permanent if you consciously decide to be a person and to do that you do. Not just around those who are the most, but all the time. Being confident doesn't mean a lot. They're about being the one that has to be noticed. It's the opposite. It's knowing you're great without having to be seen. It's the solid winner. It's the humble champion. If you lack confidence, you can change. If you lack innocence, you can change. You can be innocent in life, including a radical personality change. If you are committed to finding the answer, unlock your greatest version of yourself. You are true nature of confidence, of pure positive energy. Unlock your offensive power today. Thank you.